In this video, we'll take a look at how you can do a simple text submission of an assignment. This is when an instructor has created an assignment folder or Dropbox, but does not want you to upload a file. Instead, you will select the Dropbox and type your thoughts directly into it before submitting. So here we see that I'm in our module, and I have our assignment. We can enter this assignment Dropbox by simply clicking on the title. Now we are in the folder where we can submit our work. We can see the title for the Dropbox here, instructions on what to do, and below it looks a little different than a file submission assignment does, where usually you would see an option here to upload a file. Instead, you have an option to type your text directly into the folder itself. So here is where you will type your thoughts. This specific assignment asks you to journal your thoughts. So you will type all of your ideas here in this space. And then when you're done, you will select Submit. We know it's been submitted successfully when we see that our confirmation email has been sent. And you'll also be able to read your submission here. Another way you can access your assignments is by scrolling to the top of your course and selecting Assessments and then Assignments. Here we see our completion status for the ones who walk away from Omelis. And if your instructor has set up Turnitin.com, your plagiarism percentage will be available here.